Hey guys, Alexander Piana here with Century 21, sitting in front of a new escrow. We just put an escrow here in Mission Viejo, a 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, a little over 1,400 square feet, completely remodeled inside. We're going with a VA buyer, only $50,000 down on this property. A great value for a veteran client of ours, and the ability to buy his first single family house, moving from a condo into a house. Great property. I'll show you some pictures inside here in a bit. So you guys saw this beautiful home that is in Mission Viejo. Our client is moving up from a 2-bedroom condo from a 4-bedroom single family detached home. He's been living in a condo for 15 years and now has the opportunity, because of the equity he has in the condo, to buy this house. This is what we're doing time and time again this year, taking advantage of the equity we have in our smaller property, maybe a bigger property. Maybe you're looking to move down, or maybe you're looking to move up. Give us a call, 714-745-0896, or drop me an email and we'll see how we can help you do the same thing, either move up or move down. Interest rates are great, inventory has increased, there's definitely opportunities out there to make that move. Let's have the discussion and see what happens. Thanks again, Alexander Piana, the Piana team. Experience results.